perfect. Let's get going. So I think people are going to start. Is that good? Yeah, that's perfect. Put his phone like towards us. How did round 2 go? Is it okay? Yeah, it was really good. Okay, it was a pretty good game. Use your phone. Oh wow! I'm trying to record real quick. What's that? I'm trying to record match real quick before round end. Does it look fine? Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Wait, the match already got. I didn't get a 4. I still like turned 13. I'm so sad. Yes, I won. That's tails. Okay, you go first. Do it. I feel like if I can go 302, 302 probably. Reverse toss. Yeah. Kingdra, yeah, it's just pretty much Kingdra. Yeah. I'm gonna go back in and play SP right now. Duskmore, and there's a Dawn fan. The chat. It's just really good.
See if you could play that pre-GL and whatnot. SP. Or against anything that's not SP.
You hate SP that much?
Huh?
Do you hate SP that much?
No, I mean, I don't know. It's just like when I came back into the game, it was like right before it, and then I started hating it.
I'm gonna play you next round. Psychic Restore for 20. I'm on.
Nice. What'd you play?
What did I play? Oh, they are. 302. Oh, that's nice. Good weekend. Reverse thrust.
Just because he won like and I got turned around. You're
saying you're playing a limited. Yeah, I think we're playing a limited.
Our streamer trying to avoid putting each game on just because we're on our channel and like we have to. So I don't know, we can, depending on who wins the other matchups, we'll see what the pairings are. You might be going on. What are you playing again? It might just be the tool.
Oh, I get it, because homosexuality is a joke. Yes, it is.
I don't fist bump. Fist bump is a sin.
Okay. Josh, will you fist bump me?
No, I don't want to touch you.
It is.
Did you guys both win?
Well, no, I got body by the cannon.
Easy mashup.
Okay, here's the thing. I didn't get the fist until turn 7. It was easy for the moment. And then I was about to like, push his face into Tauros and he hit the fisherman and force him with me. And I'm like, okay.
Alright, my bad. You want to go? Okay.
Just get body. That's fine.
Oh my god. And you got rid of my power spray.
Then he made an apology on Facebook, and he's just like, I shouldn't be reprimanded. You cheated.
You talking about the guy from that LC?
And then he's like, well, I'm geek, so you shouldn't like make fun of me. I'm like,
He's like, I'm being harassed.
like
Death threats.
it doesn't matter who you are. You cheated.
Yeah. I think he's cheating. There's no way he could be like beating me this hard.
I mean, that's sketchy, man. But I'm not going to believe it. Two spring
Earthquake.
Great roaring sky shape.
At least Honcho's, I mean, target attack does something. Wrong.
Am I sure I'm playing Dual Force? Yeah. But I literally didn't get one until turn 7. No, there's no reason to put it. So lucky. That was a good match. I got on that against them. I had a pretty good hand to start because I had, if I could have gone for it, I had my Kingdra stuff to bring in. Yes. If it was the version that
I'm getting these 3 off
round 2 was the Sanders one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to write this down before I forget.
I've got it written down too.
I'm just not going to put round 1 on because it's
Wow.
out anyway.
Wow. I see how it is. Trade off?
Nick got bodied.
I don't know. Oh yeah, Nick got bodied hard.
What were they playing? It was Turbo Dark and me too?
Yeah, Jake Sanderson was playing Turbo Dark and he won.
I know!
Struck plays 4 war points.
And you're not trying to get him. You drew 1 already.
Is that knockout?
Target attack, knockout.
Oh no.
Lost 2003. If you believe that.
2010.
It was lost.
Yeah.
Oh, cancer. So you apologize.
Brian, you have to do good now so I can ID my last round, please.
Right.
Please. Depending on how I feel, I might just ID my last round because I was here.
Would you like to cut?
No. You what? Oh yes, and I have decisions for you.
On the floor at Sycamore.
That's the old one.
I saw you pulled one. I'm like, Cosmic
There's
Power.
at Target they have blue blister packs. They have
Power Spring.
packs. That's like a Steam Siege pack about their ships that comes with either break through grenades or break through melts. So
Yeah, you can do second one. Yeah, that was for your first space fight.
Dragon Shake.
this here that's against the store rules. Oh, sweet.
Yeah, I don't think they.
Cool. Can I blow things up then?
They do have rules. I'm pretty sure they have 9 rules.
Other than that,
There's no rules whatsoever.
The only rule is that there are no rules.
Haha.
so I think our gods are telling me just
all their versus secret and 2 that's a bad deck. Tested it. It's bad.
that's all I can seem to pull.
It'll be better once a rotate or once a chamber rotates.
No, he plays that for Charlie. He got Kingdra.
I forgot my date is about to run out, so I should.
You're supposed to talk about
Yeah, what took so long to get those?
No! I'd rather not play either of you two. Yeah, it's not starting quick. Ryan, are you doing? I probably could have got it a lot sooner. Energy might get attached to my when I had Scorched Earth.
Like I said, I got 2 presents left.
Landon's 2-0. What's that?
How's
We should get Landon on recording.
Alex cut.
Why did Aaron go to Lemons?
Alright, Landon, you're going to go choose your one.
so he's just like
He's already got 3 wins.
okay, the thing is he goes to cups just to make sure people don't go. Yeah, he came to the Valpo Cup and won just so that people could
That's awful.
Spray Splash.
so he like was in the final.
Austin's like Spray Splash. Spray Splash.
Now let's play it. And then Aaron just casually destroys it.
Can I get the line that is in the
Round 3 pairings are up! See what I got.
We also have a tripod at home, so
Oh, you do?
yeah.
What the heck?
Hey, could you just watch my bag today?